And on the exhale, press down just a little bit more as you begin to roll back behind your sit bones. Roll your low back down, roll your upper back all the way until your head is down. Take a breath in and push down on the bar with straight arms. 1, lift the head and roll all the way up and sit up tall. Swap hands, left hand on top, take a breath in. Try to make sure there are no speed zones when you roll up or down. Try to roll down with an even tempo all the way down. Bring your arm overhead, your left arm that is. Side bend to the right. Slide your left leg to your right. Create that nice banana shape. Breathe into your left rib cage, left low back, left side of your body. Bring your arm back around, cross. Stay here and breathe into the sides and back of the rib cage. And then exhale and roll down one vertebrae at a time. So notice that it's an inhale and a flat back up and an articulating roll down. So exhale, press lift. Press the big toes into the floor. Stay as you breathe in. Now roll your chest down, your ribs down, your waist down, your low back, your sacrum, your tailbone. Press out. You're going to have to kind of press into the pinky toe side of your foot as you press. That's 1. Exhale, press and reach. And fold back 2. So when you pull the bar down to your thighs, you're going to make sure the wrists stay straight. And then slowly back up. Now, as you do this, now do a little thought check on abs. So as you push the bar to the thighs, are your abdominals contracting and lifting? Hopefully they are. And then back up. Let's do that one more time. Exhale. Abdominal work. That's 2. You need to be consciously drawing and cinching in the wall of the belly. 3. Every time you reach your arms forward. 4. Now reach. And tap, tap, tap. Inhale, folds. Inhale, bend. Exhale, left. Inhale, bend. Notice that we don't bring the knees to the chest. We keep them away from our chest just a little bit so there's constant tension on the bungees. Okay? Exhale, reach. 3, 4, and down. 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4, and down. 2. All right, so we're going to start with leg lifts. So you're going to lift up, then lower down. Now we're adding a little bit of external rotation to lift. Inhale to lower down 2. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower 3. Try to relax your head on your arm if possible. And lower 4. Inhale, lift. Exhale, draw those abs in. And back. 4. Exhale, twist, hold. And back. 5. I'm seeing some people in the arms. Press them down, lift the leg. Then replace. Press, lift, replace. 2 more. Press, lift, replace. Last, progress with me to a 90-90 legs. And as you press both arms down, reach one leg out and up. And the other leg reaches